Okay, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Appreciate the sub to this channel. We're going to do some more work on the 2001 Springer. If you look behind me, you can see got some stuff done since the last video. Let me get over here. We got the tank on, got the seat on, got the seat conditioned. Still got to work on this fringe a little bit, maybe put some conditioner, leather conditioner and cleaner on that. Tank's on, center console's on. I still got to move these handlebars up because we got to bleed the front and rear brakes. We also got to take this temporary tank off, pull the vacuum cap off, put the vacuum line in, put the fuel line in, put the covers on the exhaust, and put the saddlebags on, and we're ready to go. We're ready to mount this up. So let's get the air cleaner off first. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you is that I got a new banner up here in the other day, which is kind of cool. Had to move these posters down a little bit, but pretty decent banner. So let me get set up and we'll get this air cleaner off and get the fuel line hooked up. Okay, so we got the air filter off, and I just hooked up the fuel line and the vacuum. So I'm trying to get this actually lined up to where it's supposed to be, which is right there. I don't know why that doesn't want to. And I forgot to turn this camera on. My other camera's going right now, but so we'll have to figure out something with that. All right, so we got the fuel line in, the vacuum line in. I'm going to leave the air cleaner off for now because I want to get fuel in there and make sure that the accelerator pump is working. Once I figure out the accelerator pump is working, then we can button that up. So let's move on to the, let's do the heat shields. On this, I got to find them. Just get rid of these all together and just put regular pipes on. So I don't know which goes to which. This one, that one, no. All right, we'll get this one on. First. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these type of heat shields, but that's what I've got for now. So this is going to go up like this. Now if I can get these to work the way they should. Yeah, so I was saying, I really would like to do, which one goes to which? I don't think it matters. I think they're both the same. Yeah, they're both the same. So I've got another hose clamp here somewhere. So there's a couple. I think this one's all right. Yeah. I don't think I have any hose clamps here either. We'll see. Because these things are kind of rusted and I'm not a big fan of them. But we'll do what we can for now. And maybe later on, once I take this out for a little bit, I'll look for some new pipes. I think they're both the same length. They are. So you can see the rust that's all over this. I'm not a big fan of these at all. Which is which? They're both the same. Okay, so we got the exhaust shields on. Oh, let me get that. So I think next we're going to do, we'll bleed the rear brakes, because I got to do the front too, but I'm going to have to readjust the handlebars so this reservoir is more straight up than it is down, than it is the way it is. So let me get some brake fluid. All right, so we got to get the vacuum kit out here again. I can put that vacuum tube back in there. So let's get this out. Let me see, we need this. Let me move this out of the way over here. Oh. Should have got the electric pump rather than this manual one, but all right, so we're almost emptying out the reservoir here. I'm going to clean that out with, actually let me get a, all right, so it's sucking air through the reservoir right now, which is just what I want. This actually doesn't look too bad. I'm surprised. Well, we're going to keep doing this. I want to get a rag, and then we'll more in there. All right, so I just filled the reservoir up. So we'll keep drawing this through until it fills the line up. This is a brand new line, so it's going to take a little bit to fill it. We get a little bit more out, then I think we'll close it up. All right, so we got a rear brake light, which is cool because we didn't have that before with no fluid in it because it wasn't pushing the switch. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me move this. So we got the rear brake light going, which is cool. And let's throw a saddlebag on and see what a saddlebag looks like. Okay, so we got this saddlebag on. I still got to mount the rear passenger peg. That's what this mount ties into. So we got to mount that in there, and we'll be done, except for this over here. So I thought I was going to be able to finish this today, but then I remembered I don't have any gas anyway. So we'll have to do this. We'll have to finish this on the next video. We can do bleed the front brakes, put the other saddlebag on. I didn't take the other passenger peg off the other side. I didn't need to. We'll put the passenger peg on this side, check the oil, checks the transmission fluid, and then we should be able to fire it up. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.